and welcome to tonight's episode of The Price is Too High. I'm your host, McKenna Crosby, and tonight's episode on The Price is Too High is about college.
I'm officially a college student!
So I think that we can all agree that college is too pricey, right, Gracie?
Right, McKenna.
I declare bankruptcy!
So, I went around and asked 50 students at the South Carolina Governor's School for the Arts and Humanities the average cost of attendance at the school that they plan on attending in the next few years.
Hi, I'm Corey Hayes. I'll be attending Winthrop University, and the cost of attendance rounds to about $30,000.
Hi, my name is Emma Khan. I'm going to Pace University, and the total cost of attendance is around $70,000.
Hi, my name is Abby Perry. I'll be attending College of Charleston for around $17,000 a year.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl K Money. I'm going to Coastal Carolina, which averages to about $25,000 a year, but you know, G'd up.
I'm Alora Yoakum. I'm going to Pace University, and it averages out to about $70,000 a year.
Hi, I'm Savannah Walters. I'm going to Case Western Reserve University, and the tuition and room and board is about $68,000.
G'd up.
Hi, I'm Josie Moore, and I'll be attending UNCSA in the fall, and the average cost of attendance is around $40,000.
After calculating this data, I decided to put it into a frequency distribution table. A frequency distribution table shows classes or intervals of data entries with the count of the number of entries in each class. Below are the following sample data lists of the prices in thousands of dollars that the 50 future students plan on paying at their university. We then put this data into a frequency distribution table. But what is a frequency? The frequency, F, of a class is the number of data entries in the class. So for example, the frequencies go down the list from 0, 3, 8, so on and so forth. Each number represents the number of students paying that much money for the classes on the left. Not only can you put the information into a frequency distribution table, but you can also put it into a histogram. On the left, you see the frequency, the number of students, goes up the graph vertically. Horizontally, you see the prices in thousands of dollars. To find the midpoint, you take the sum of the lower and upper limits of the class and divide it by 2. A relative frequency is the portion or percentage of the data that falls into the class. To find the relative frequency, you take the class frequency and divide it by the sample size, also known as F over N. To find the cumulative frequency, you take the sum of the frequencies of that class and all previous classes. We can see each of these three things in the following table. Like the last frequency distribution chart, you see the class, tally, and frequency all over again. However, the main difference between this one and the previous is that there's also the relative frequency, the midpoint, and the cumulative frequency. In the same way that you can construct a frequency histogram, you can also construct a frequency polygon. Here, I am graphing a frequency polygon, starting with the information we have from the previous chart.
That's great, McKenna, but how can I do it on my own?
I'm glad you asked. Did you know you could do this on your calculator?
No way!
I know it might be tedious to graph this frequency polygon on a sheet of paper, so here's how you do it on your calculator. First, you go to your list. You enter your midpoints into list 1 and your frequencies into list 2. Then you hit zoom 9 to clear out all previous graphs, and then you graph your new polygon. You can also graph a relative frequency polygon. The only difference between the last and this one is that the vertical scale measures the relative frequency. Now you might be wondering, what's an ogive? An ogive is the same as a cumulative frequency graph. College may still be too pricey, right, Gracie?
That's right, McKenna.
But at least now we can see it in the form of a frequency distribution graph. This has been The Price is Too High with McKenna Crosby. Have a great night, America.